Hello everyone, this is Waiter here and
I'm Clement. Hello.
we are the Artbox team. Okay, part of it. Okay, so I think some of you guys have already received the V2 with the Fusion drives, or some are on the way.
On the way, yeah.
And hopefully you have been riding it and it feels great, it feels smooth. And today we're gonna show you how to maintain your Fusion drives to make it a tip-top condition all the time for your daily drives. So Clement will be the one physically doing
The demo.
and I'll be the one trying to explain to you and how it actually works.
Sure.
Alright, so what do we need?
Okay, we need a few things, right?
Yep.
First and foremost, we need some tissue. In case
Tissue.
your hands get dirty.
Yep.
The eSkate 2 is provided inside,
Provided.
right?
Yep.
And when you receive it, receive your board, it comes in two things: the manual, as well as the grease.
Yep.
So yeah, these are inside the package.
Yep. So what's in the grease pack? We have the grease itself and the spatula.
grease and the spatula.
Yep. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's remove the wheel gear. So how do we do it?
Okay.
The wheel itself, yeah.
Yeah. So take a skate 2, put it in, go anti-clockwise, and it should come out nicely. So you have your lock nut, they'll come out. You will have your speed ring.
Speed ring, yep.
There are two of them, so we take one out first. The 90mm wheel from the original V2.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so once the wheel is removed, you will see the
drive mount itself, which is mated to the drive gear.
Okay. So here you go. Then you can just remove it. This
Yep.
is the
This is the wheel mount.
this is the wheel mount.
Yep.
Okay, and this is the gear.
Yep, this is the drive gear itself.
Okay, so you can take a tissue and yep.
Do a maintenance here. So we have the cotton bud.
So to clean in between the gears, you can use the aid of a cotton bud. It will help you clean out the dirt much better than just a tissue alone. So
Yeah, let's show them how to clean the grooves of the gears
okay, so
with the cotton bud.
if you use the cotton bud, you can just wipe through like this.
This is for the drive gear. So for the motor gear, all you have to do is to use the cotton bud to
And rotate the motor as you go along.
to clean out all the dirt and all the residue that's in. Yeah. Okay. So next we'll teach you how to apply the grease. So we have the grease pack
Oh yeah, grease pack.
and the spatula.
Okay,
Okay. Take note that the grease is a bit viscous. So all you have to do is
just a small amount.
just a small amount. Okay.
Like that?
First apply on the motor gear itself.
Okay,
So all you have to do is to rotate the motor itself with your hand, and also use the spatula to apply the grease evenly on the motor gear itself.
okay, done. What's next?
Okay, next you have to apply the grease on the drive gear itself. Alright.
So I take this a little bit
Yes, a little bit. Same thing, the spatula from the grease pack.
and let's do it.
Yes, apply onto the drive gear itself.
Cool. So
Okay.
done.
So after that is done, okay, if you look at the drive gear, you have the big hose with the small hose at the back. So make sure that the bigger hose is facing outwards.
Outwards.
Right? This will be the part where you'll be mating with the wheel mount itself, right? With all the spokes here. Alright?
Do you remember the
Oh yes. So before I forget, in here there will be speed rings, bigger speed rings for the gear itself. Alright?
Yeah.
So make sure that you don't lose any of this. You have one inside, make sure it's one when you put it back.
Okay, so
Okay, let's put back the drive gears.
okay. Gear goes in.
Okay, slot it in. Next, make sure you have a speed ring here over here, right? Before you put in the wheel mount.
The wheel mount.
Okay, wheel mount. Make sure you
Make sure it's flush nicely.
flush and mate it with the drive gear itself. Okay, now you can put back the 90mm wheels.
Sure. Yeah. You can put it with assist of a screwdriver or anything sharp in between. Just poke through.
Make sure the spacers are in line.
Yep. As long as the spaces are in line, you're good to go.
Yeah,
The
put
speed
back
ring.
the speed ring and the lock nut itself.
Lock nut. Yep. And we are done.
And we are done. This is the way you
Maintain.
the Fusion drives.
Yeah.
To make sure it's a tip-top condition for your everyday riding.
Okay, so once you hit some resistance, do a half turn back, and you're done.
So you just have to turn it a bit to feel that it's smooth. And there you go. That's it. Oh yeah, before that, we can also show you guys how to change wheel itself.
Yeah.
We have actually done it actually. Let's try to change to 97mm wheel.
Can.
Yeah. Okay, the stock V2 comes with 90mm wheels, right? But we're
The
able to
option to
fit in
choose, right?
with 97mm wheel, which is on the website itself. So we're gonna teach you how to change wheels from 90 to 97, or you just want to change the fresh wheels of 90mm wheels. Okay.
Yeah.
So all you need is a skate tool.
Skate 2.
Yep. Remove the lock nut.
Yeah. Okay.
Remove the speed ring.
Speed ring.
Okay. Remove the 90mm wheel itself. Right. All you have to do is
Attach.
attach
The 97.
the new 97mm wheels. Come.
Okay.
Yes.
You may need some help. Just take a screwdriver. Does it need to be Phillips or flathead?
Just to make sure that the spacer
spacer
in
in
between just align and so it can fit into the truck.
Flush it in, like that.
Yep.
Speed
Speed
ring.
ring.
Lock nut.
Easy. Easy.
When you feel a bit of resistance, do the half turn.
Yep. There you go. So we changed from 90mm to 97mm.
Or under what, 2 minutes?
Maybe 1 minute. Alright,
Okay.
there you go. So what we have demonstrated today, how to maintain the fusion drives, how to use the grease toolkit, how to use your skate tool to remove the wheels, how to apply the grease, and we also show you how to change the wheel itself.
Yeah.
So let's say in the future you think the drive wheel is a bit worn out compared to other wheels, you can do the same, you can rotate the wheels by itself. by
Or if
own
you
board.
like to have a 97mm option,
Yeah, you can
always-
find it
yeah.
on our website.
find our
So
website.
anytime. So
Oh yeah, make
Yes.
sure that if you change to 97, all wheels must be 97mm.
definitely.
Yeah. Okay, so that's from us, right?
Yeah, that's from us. Hopefully you have a very good ride. You felt the magic when you're riding the V2. Ride
Safety
safe.
first? Yeah.
Safety first, helmet,
Helmet,
your padding, and
yeah.
wear your shoes. And well, that's it for us for
Yeah.
today. So in the future, we'll be rolling in more on how to clean up the board and
Yeah, some tips here and there.
use and then, yeah. So that's all from us. So feel the magic, yeah.
If you have any comments, just leave it at the comment section. Email us, or shout out to us, or find somebody to contact us. We're always on Instagram, our Instagram and our YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I said feel the magic a bit too early, so I shall say it again. Feel the magic.
Feel the magic.